हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आरजी स्टूडियो चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मेरा नाम राहुल है, मैं एक टीचर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बायोलॉजी के इम्पोर्टेंट 50 क्वेश्चंस की जानकारी देने जा रहा हूँ। ये प्रश्न विभिन्न प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं जैसे कि मोरारजी देसाई नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ योगा के डिप्लोमा इन योगा साइंस इंट्रेंस एग्जाम, वन दरोगा, पीएससी नर्सिंग, पशुधन प्रसार अधिकारी, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, वीडियो, एसएससी, टीईटी और अन्य कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जिसमें कि बायोलॉजी, साइंस और जनरल साइंस से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक उपयोगी है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के पीडीएफ नोट्स लेना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी के लिए एक व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप बना रखा है जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियोज मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशंस के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, मेल सेक्स हार्मोन इज। मेल सेक्स हार्मोन कौन सा होता है? ए एड्रेनालिन, बी प्रोगेस्टेरॉन, सी टेस्टोस्टेरोन, डी एफएचएस। करेक्ट आंसर इज टेस्टोस्टेरोन। मेल सेक्स हार्मोन होता है टेस्टोस्टेरोन। टेस्टोस्टेरोन एक मेल सेक्स हार्मोन होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन। यहाँ पे बताने फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन कौन सा है? ए एस्ट्रोजेन, बी एंड्रोजेन, सी ऑक्सिन, डी इंसुलिन। करेक्ट आंसर इज एस्ट्रोजेन। एस्ट्रोजेन इज अ फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, एस्ट्रोजेन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय। करेक्ट आंसर इज गैफिकन follicle. एस्ट्रोजेन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय गैफिकन follicle. Question number 4 is which of the following hormone is called emergency hormone? A insulin, B adrenaline, C estrogen, D oxytocin. Correct answer is adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone is called emergency hormone. Question number 5, which of the following control blood pressure? A parathyroid, B thyroid, C thymus, D adrenal. Correct answer is adrenal. Adrenal control blood pressure. Question number 6 is life saving hormone is. Correct answer is adrenal. Adrenal hormone is life saving hormone. Question number 7 is which one among the following glands is present in pairs in human body? A adrenal, B liver, C pancreas, D pineal. Correct answer is adrenal. Adrenal glands is present in pairs in human body. Question number 8 is insulin is a kind of. Correct answer is hormone. Insulin is a kind of hormone. Question number 9 is consider the following minerals. First calcium, second iron, third sodium. Which of the minerals given above is are required by human body for the contraction of muscles? A correct answer is second and third only, iron and sodium. Question here is which of the minerals given above is are required by human body for contraction of muscles? So correct answer is iron and sodium. Iron and sodium are the minerals which are required by human body for the contraction of muscles. Question number 10 is which of the following cells secrete insulin? Correct answer is beta cell. Beta cell secrete insulin. Question number 11 is which of the following gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Correct answer is pancreas. Pancreas is the gland which is responsible for the secretion of insulin. Question number 12 is the filtration unit of kidney is. Correct answer is nephron. The filtration unit of kidney is nephron. Question number 13, isolates of Langerhans is situated in. Correct answer is pancreas. Isolates of Langerhans is situated in pancreas. Question number 14, corpus luteum is a mass of cells found in. Correct answer is ovary. Corpus luteum is a mass of cells that is found in ovary. Question number 15, hormone insulin is a. Correct answer is peptide. Hormone insulin is a peptide. Question number 16, which one among the following enzyme is unique in the alimentary canal of cattle? A cellulase, B amylase, C pectinase, D deslacase. Correct answer is cellulase. Cellulase is the enzyme that is unique in the alimentary canal of cattle. Question number 17. Strongest muscle of man found is, correct answer is jaw. In jaw, strongest muscle of man is found. Question number 18. Which of the following organ have its own wave of autonomic excitation? Which of the following organ have its own wave of autonomic excitation? A. Heart, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Intestine. Correct answer is heart. Heart, the organ that have its own wave of autonomic excitation is heart. Question number 19. A person feel fatigued due to deposition of acid in their muscle is, correct answer is lactic acid. A person feel fatigued due to deposition of acid in their muscle is, correct answer is lactic acid. Question number 20. The science of balance is achieved by, correct answer is cerebellum equilibrium. The science of balance is achieved by cerebellum equilibrium. Question number 21. Part of eye used during eye donation is, correct answer is cornea. Cornea is the part of eye used during eye donation. The part of eye that is used during eye donation is cornea. Question number 22. Amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by, correct answer is iris. Amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by iris. Question number 23. Image of object is formed on which part of eye? Correct answer is retina. Image of object is formed on the retina part of eye. Question number 24. Glucose is a type of, correct answer is hexose sugar. Glucose is a type of hexose sugar. Question number 25. Which of the following is true with reference to blood platelets? Which of the following is true with reference to blood platelets? Here options are given and we need to tell which option is correct with reference to blood platelets. A. They are also called thrombocytes. B. They have prominent nuclei. C. They are involved in phagocytosis. D. They have a pigment called hemoglobin. Correct answer is A. They are also called thrombocytes. So option A, they are also called thrombocytes, is true with reference to blood platelets. Question number 26. Color of skin depend on, correct answer is melanin. Correct, color of skin depend on melanin. Question number 27. Allantois of embryo helps in, correct answer is respiration. Allantois of embryo helps in respiration. Question number 28. Largest organ of human body is, correct answer is skin. Largest organ of human body is skin. Question number 29. Animal protein is called first class protein because it is, correct answer is rich in essential amino acid. Animal protein is called first class protein because it is rich in essential amino acids. Question number 30. The hardest part of human body is, correct answer is enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of human body. Question number 31 is which one of following organ have the capacity of regeneration? A. Spleen, B. Kidney, C. Brain, D. Liver. Correct answer is liver. Liver is the organ that have the capacity of regeneration. Question number 32. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in, correct answer is alveoli. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. Question number 33. In an accident, a person's brain was injured due to which he could not regulate body temperature, hunger and water balance. Which one among the following parts of his brain was affected? A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Hypothalamus, D. Corpus callosum. Correct answer is hypothalamus. Question number 33 is in an accident a person's brain was injured due to which he could not regulate body temperature, hunger and water balance. Which one among the following parts of the brain was affected? Correct answer is hypothalamus. If a person's hypothalamus part is affected, then person's brain could not regulate body temperature, hunger and water balance. Question number 34. Tear of man have an enzyme which kill the bacteria. Correct answer is lysozyme. Tear of man have an enzyme which kill the bacteria. Name of the enzyme is lysozyme. Lysozyme is the enzyme which kill the bacteria. Question number 35. Weight of an animal body is mostly the weight of. Correct answer is water. Weight of an animal body is mostly the weight of water. Options are given: water, blood, bone, tissue. Correct answer is water. So the weight of an animal body is mostly the weight of water. Question number 36. The number of essential amino acid found in man. Correct answer is 20. The number of essential amino acid that is found in man is 20. Question number 37. Myoglobin contain the metal. Correct answer is copper. Myoglobin contain the metal copper. Question number 38. Normal temperature of human body is. Correct answer is 36.9 degrees centigrade. Normal temperature of human body is 36.9 degrees centigrade. Question number 39. Blood bank of human body is. Correct answer is spleen. Blood bank of human body is spleen. Question number 40. Bile is stored in. Correct answer is gallbladder. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Question number 41. Weight of human brain is in gram is. Correct answer is 1350. Weight of human body in gram is 1350. So the weight of human body in gram is 1350. 1 kilogram 350 gram is the weight of human brain. Question number 42. Normal temperature of human body on the Kelvin scale is. Correct answer is 310. Normal temperature of human body on the Kelvin scale is 310 Kelvin. Question number 43. If the radius of blood vessels decreases, the blood pressure will. Correct answer is increase. If the radius of blood vessels decreases, so if the radius of blood vessels decreases, the blood pressure will increase. Question number 44. Number of spinal nerve is. Correct options are 10 pair, 12 pair, 15 pair. None of these. Correct answer is none of these. Number of spinal pair. No option is correct. So you can give me a comment of correct answer. What should be the correct answer? Number of spinal nerve is. How many spinal curve are there in human body? So you can give me correct answer by making a comment. Question number 45. Main function of skeleton is. Correct answer is to provide the shape of body. Main function of skeleton is to provide the shape of the body. Question number 46. In whole body mass, the percentage of blood is. Correct answer is 9%. In whole body mass, the percentage of blood is 9%. In a whole body mass, the percentage of blood that is present is 9%. Question 47. By EEG we can observe the activity of. Correct answer is brain. By EEG we can observe the activity of brain. Question number 48. Number of valve found in human heart. Correct answer is 4. Number of valve that is found in human heart is 4. Question 49. Alpha keratin. Keratin is a protein present in. Correct answer is skin. Alpha keratin is a protein present in skin. Question 50. Match the hormone in list first with list second and select the correct answer using codes given below. List 1, list second. A. Adrenaline. Correct match is anger, fear, danger. Adrenaline is correct. Correct match for adrenaline is anger, fear, danger. Estrogen. Correct match is females. Insulin. Correct match is glucose. Pheromones. Correct match is attracting partners through signs of smell. In this video I have given information regarding biology important questions which are very important for various competitive exams like Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Delhi, Band Daroga, BSc Nursing, Pasudhan Prasar Adhikari, Biotechnology, Gram Vikas Adhikari, SSC, TET and other competitive exams. Candidates which are preparing for various competitive exams, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974 for important questions, PDF notes and for online and offline coaching. Subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification regarding important videos, and you can also get the knowledge for various jobs and admissions. Kindly like the video, kindly comment, give your valuable comment regarding the video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.